Welcome back, guys. अब हम करेंगे sound question 3 paper 2 5054. Let's start. Question 3. In a demonstration, a teacher uses a loud ticking clock, two hollow tubes A and B, a barrier and a smooth surface. अच्छा, तो ये ticking clock है और इसकी जो sound होगी, it will pass through the hollow tube, reflect and go to the other side. And the barrier जो रखा हुआ है in the center, that is to block any sound going directly to the other side. मतलब यहाँ से जो sound waves आएंगी, they will not go directly there. Only the sound waves which are going from the clock will go to the other side. ठीक है ना? The clock is used as a source of sound. Figure 4.1 shows the tube A and the clock both in position of the left of the barrier. ठीक है ना? This is the ear and this is the ticking clock. Sound from the ticking clock passes along tube A and is incident on the smooth surface. It is incident on the smooth surface and it will reflect to the other surface. I mean other area. A student listens to the sound passing along tube B, which is the right, which is on the right of the barrier. On figure 4.1, draw tube B in the position where the sound heard by the student is the loudest. Acha, in order for the sound to travel, it will first incident on this smooth surface, है ना? And reflect to the other side, है ना? So, due to the law of reflection, law of reflection, law of reflection states के the angle of incidence must be equal to the angle of reflection. ठीक है ना? The angle of incidence must be equal to the angle of reflection and there will be the highest and loudest sound on the reflected angle. The reflected angle से sound waves travel करेंगी that will contain the largest or I mean the loudest sound. So अगर जब I will be equal to R loudest sound will be produced there. ठीक है ना? आप इसको मेजर कर लेना when I will be equal to R, the largest sound will be produced. So therefore we should make a tube here. ठीक है ना? If a tube is made here, यहाँ सबसे ज्यादा sound will be heard. So moving on, explain your answer to one. अच्छा, answer to one. अच्छा, this is all because of the law of reflection. The law of reflection states कि अगर sound waves are, I mean, waves are traveling and it hits a smooth surface which has no interference, so it will go to the angle of incidence will be equal to the angle of reflection, and the angle of reflection will reflect to the opposite path. I mean, yeah, opposite path. So yeah, so yeah, let's move on. The speed of sound in air is 330 meters per second. State a typical value for the speed of sound in solid. The speed of sound in solid varies. ठीक है ना? It is anywhere from 3, 4, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000. It can go all the way up to 12,000. In some cases, it is way below 3, 4,000. So, अगर आप इसको वैसे ही देखें इन ओ लेवल्स की टर्म, तो स्पीड ऑफ साउंड इन एयर इज 330, स्पीड ऑफ साउंड इन वाटर लिक्विड इज 1500. ठीक है ना? तो अगर 1500 से ऊपर की कोई वैल्यू ले ले दैट वुड बी एक्सेप्टेड. तो क्योंकि like speed of sound in solids are the greatest in comparison to air and liquid. ठीक है ना? तो आप लिख दें 4000, लिख दें 5000, लिख दें 4000 लिख दें 4000 या 5000 meters per second. You can write that as answer. लेकिन marking scheme में हमें जो दिया हुआ value that is anywhere from 1000 meters per second to 10,000 meters per second. ठीक है ना? You can write that as well. Anyways, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day. Allah Hafiz.